Hello everyone, I'm JonnyMath and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to solve this interesting geometry problem. So let's begin. Knowing that the side of the square ABCD is equal to 6, find the distance PB so that the area of the yellow triangle Y is as small as possible. Then determine Y. So what we have to do? First we have to find the distance PB. And as you can see in this picture, this is equal to x, such that y is as small as possible. Then we have to calculate y, that is the area of the yellow triangle. But what is the area of the yellow triangle equal to? Well, y is equal to the total area, in this case is the area of the square, so AS, minus the sum of these three areas. So minus A1 plus A2 plus A3. Now we have to determine each of these areas. So let's start with AS. This is simple, it's the area of a square, so it's just the side squared. In this case, this side is equal to 6, so it's equal to 6 squared, that is equal to 36. Now the first area. As we can see in this picture, the first area is the area of a triangle, so is equal to the base of the triangle times its height, all divided by 2. In this case, the base is equal to 6 times the height, that is equal to x, all divided by 2, and this is equal to 3x. Also, the second area is the area of a triangle, so same thing, base times height divided by 2. So the base is 2x times the height, that is this segment, and this is just equal to the side of the square minus x, all divided by 2. This is equal to x times 6 minus x is equal to 6x minus x squared. Then the last area, this is also a triangle, so same thing, base times height, all divided by 2. In this case, the base is 6 times the height, that is equal to the side of the square minus 2x, so 6 minus 2x, all divided by 2. This is equal to 3 times 6 minus 2x, this is equal to 18 minus 6x. Now we have found all these 4 areas. So let's substitute these areas into this formula and just do some algebra to simplify everything. So y is equal to the area of the square 36 minus the sum of these 3 areas, so 3x plus 6x minus x squared plus 18 minus 6x. So y is equal to 36 minus, we can cancel out 6x, and we remain with 3x minus x squared plus 18. So y is equal to x squared minus 3x plus 18. And now that we have this compact equation, notice that this is a parabolic function. Now, if we draw a generic parabola in our xy plane where a is greater than 0, this means that the concavity of the parabola is positive. The function as a form of ax squared plus bx plus c. Well, we see that the lowest value of y of this parabola is the vertex. And how do we find this point to determine x and y? Well, if we draw the tangent line at this particular point, we see that the slope m is equal to 0. And what gives us the slope of a tangent line to a graph at a particular point? Guess what? This is the derivative of our function at that particular point. So we have to say that the derivative of our function has to be equal to 0 in this point. Then we can evaluate x. So in our case, the derivative of x squared minus 3x plus 18 has to be equal to 0. So now it's simple, we just use the sum rule, then the power rule, and this is 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. So x is equal to 3.5. And this is our first result. We have just found PB, that is equal to 3/2. Now we have to find y. So what can we do? Well, we just have to plug this result into our previous function. So y is equal to 3.5 squared minus 3 times 3.5 plus 18. And if you do some calculations, you'll get that this is equal to 34.5. And this is our final answer. If you enjoyed my videos, please subscribe to my channel, leave it a thumbs up and share this video with your friends. Until next time, bye.